everyone, Magpie 37 here. Got a new permission today. Well, not a new permission, but I've been here before. Not detected the place at all, but it's a fairly new permission to detect on anyway, so I've had permission to have a go in this place. I got Disaster with me today, digging something right now. Yeah, seems like a nice little permission, quite old. We'll see what we can get here. The weather's not brilliant, as you can see. It's cloudy and it's drizzling, but yeah, so we'll see what we can find here. My first find so far looks like brass. Not sure what that is. I think it may be a Spade tractor. If that's the case, quite a bit of old history here then. Not sure what that is. It's pretty heavy, but that's my first find so far. I've only been here 5 minutes. Yeah, right, so we'll carry on then and see what else we can find here. And there's an old water pump in there, 1960s I believe. We'll give that a go and get around that, and then we'll see what we can find around there as well. Hopefully a few coins and things. So yeah, heading off down that way where Disaster's heading, and we'll see what we can find. Hope the weather picks up a bit. Don't look too good at the moment, but right, I'll see you on the next find. See you in a bit. Yeah, just dug this hole here now. Not sure what this thing is. Doesn't make sense to me, but here we are. No idea. Some sort of valve or something. Bit of a mystery find again. One of those don't know type of find. That looks like stainless steel wire or something coming out of it. Might be some sort of sensor or probe or something, I don't know. But anyway, it's a find. Anybody recognise that? Answers on a postcard please. And might be something interesting, don't know. Alright. Just thought I'd show you a little look around here. Been walking for hours and I haven't found nothing yet. So it's a bit dark here. But this is where I am, a little bit overgrown down this end. But they've been doing some clearing here, as you can see with the trees there, and they've been cut down. I haven't found nothing, only a bit of lead. Not much in the way of finds down this way. A little bit of fencing going on there, so I've been over that way, there's nothing. But I'm going to sit down here and have a bit of food now, bit of lunch, see what else I can find here. If not, then the weather doesn't look too brilliant anyway, so I might just pack up and go. Disaster, I'm not sure where he is now at the moment, but yeah, so I'm going to have a half an hour here now, break, have something to eat, and then carry on a bit more. A lot of long grass down this end. That might be why I'm not finding so much, but I'll give it a go anyway. There's some short grass patches around the place here, but we'll see anyway. Right, well, I'll just heading through this gate again. We just come up from this field here. Not much in the way of finds on there at all. Bit of lead, bit of foil, but on the way back, as everybody says, check the gateways, and voila, come across a buckle, a nice offset buckle I think it is, or a saddle buckle.
Fucking broke mine.
And then and Disaster got a nice buckle.
I just broke the bloody
That's
thing.
A nice one though.
Ah, what a shame.
That's nice though, look at that square one. And some nice designs on it.
Yeah.
It's a bit better than mine, but I'm quite happy with this one. Wasn't down very far. As you can see by the patina there, look. You can see the patina, the marking on the soil there, the copper. So yeah, quite happy with that. Check a bit more around this gateway now and see what else we can find here. Right, I'll say on to the next. Do another find. As you can see, it's down quite far. What's that? 9-10 inches. Just come across something here now, I'm not sure what it is. Give me a nice signal. Looks like a coin. Not sure. Could be a button. We'll see. Yeah, looks like a coin. Doesn't look like there's any shank on there. Could that be the first coin of the day? Could be an old halfpenny. Quite thin, as you can see. Yeah, not sure what that is. Right, I'll bag that. Take it home, clean it up and see if we can identify something off it. Yeah, not sure. Looks like an old halfpenny or a penny maybe, I don't know. Right, I'll bag that and I'll see what else we can find here. Another hole. See you in a bit. Just took the top off, find in there, and it's a brass hubcap or something off a machinery, piece of machinery. Still got soil in the middle. I imagine there's a thread inside there. But yeah, quite a heavy piece of brass. Yeah, give me a good signal. Strong signal, down about 6 inches. Yeah, brass. Right, I'll say on to the next. Right everyone, started raining outside a little bit, so I come into the wood. Just thought I'd show you the old water pump shed or house or whatever you call it. There's one of the valves here. It's an old valve for shutting down the water pipe. Not sure what's underneath there. There's probably a pipe or something, I'd imagine. And there's another one further over as we get a bit closer. Not sure how far this dates back. Something around about the 60s, early 60s I think. I'm not sure, but there's another valve there. You'd have some sort of gadget fit on top of there to screw it down. Stop the water supply. As you can see, it's quite overgrown there. It's constructed mostly of concrete, a concrete roof. And brick. Yeah, I'll take you inside a little tour. My detector there. Quite old really. I don't know if you're going to be able to see in here. It's quite dark. This is where the pump would have sat, I imagine. Not sure what that is. I think that's for mixing the lime into the water. There's the lime bins there, and there's 4 of them. These have been full of lime to mix into the water, and there's still traces of lime in there. Yeah, these are quite old. I imagine this would be, you'd put the lime in there. I don't know if you can see him properly in here, it's quite dark. But I think you'd put mix the water, the lime in the water here. Not sure. Can't really see much there, can you? It's quite dark. But I think this is where the pump used to sit. A bit of a plaque there. This looks like a head or something of the pump. There's a plaque there, some writing on it. I don't know if you can make any of that out. I can't, it's quite dark in there. But yeah, quite old here. Not sure which way the water would have come in, but I'm not sure which way it would have gone out either. I'll take it on the rest of it. Back out in the open again. There's another part of it. an old guttering pipe there. I don't know if you can make that out. Cast iron, so that's quite old in itself. Yeah, here's the other part of the shed or building. Pipe there. Quite dark in here again. Another pipe there. It's a solid concrete roof. I imagine that beam there is a support. I don't think it's a pipe, because it doesn't come out the other side. Yeah, I don't know what to say really. Something stood on there as well. The building was bricks. Yeah, what's that down there? Looks like a bit of a gasket. It's been folded up. Probably off one of the pumps. Made of copper, I think. Yeah, quite easy to bend. Copper, I think, or brass. Yeah, quite interesting. Old building. A few stalagmites there. If you can see that. They take time to form. So, yeah. I'm going to do a little bit of detecting around here now. See if we can find anything. Disaster's disappeared off somewhere, not sure where. What do we have there? Ah, a piece of the light of the window fitting. That's nice. But I don't do iron. A pipe coupling. Yeah, interesting. Right, I'm going to do a bit of detecting around here and see what we can find. Look how that tree has formed itself around that concrete there. So it's embedded itself, or well, it's part of the structure really in a way, isn't it? Look at that. Right, I'm going to carry on with a bit more detecting then and see what we can find here. Right, I'll let you know when the first find, or maybe the last find. Right, I'll see you in a bit. About 7 metres from the pump house. Come across here, my first signal there. Don't know if you can see that. It's a buckle. Yep, little horse buckle. Still got the loop on the end of it. Yeah, I'm not sure if that's brass or iron. I think that's brass. Brass, yeah. There we are, second buckle of the day. Nice find. About 7 metres from the pump house. In the middle of nowhere. In the middle of a wood. Looks like a bit of a reservoir or something there at one time. That's probably where the water come from. And it was filtered and then pumped to wherever it went to. Supply the local village, I think. So yeah, I'm going to carry on digging here. And see if we can find a few more things before I go home. Right, I'll say on to the next. Still in the area. See you in a bit of the old pump house. Just over there I found that buckle just not long ago. Oh, about 2 minutes ago. And I come across this way. And I come across another find. Another nice little signal. Not very deep. But it was in the clod. It seems we have a halfpenny. An old halfpenny. A little bit unreadable. But we'll give it a go cleaning up. See if we can find anything on it. It's pretty thin. Quite old. So yeah, another find. Right next to the pump house. So there must have been some activity around here at one time before all these big trees grew here. But yeah, I'm going to carry on searching, see what else we can find here. Right, yeah, see you in a bit. Not far from that sluice there, or stop valve, or whatever you want to call it, in front of the building here. Not far from that, about 3 yards. Come across a signal, nice signal. There's a coin signal in fact for the E-Trac. as you can see by the impression there, I come across some, I don't know, what would you call them, copper gaskets or something like that. Three copper gaskets in a hole. Somebody was obviously trying to repair something, or maybe they just dropped out his bag. They're like shims, yeah, you know, for spacer, little spacer things. Little copper shims or spacers. It's a strange find, but not unexpected in a place like this, you know, with water and piping and things like that. But yeah, nice find. Right, carry on and see what else we can find here. Another find. There's the old pump house, and another related item. This would be a fitting. You can see the wood in there. It's a brass fitting for a push rod. And those rods are used for unblocking drains or chimneys, like that sort of rod. You know, you'd have a bamboo cane or some sort of cane, you know, extension. You'd have a number of these to go down a pipe, to unblock a pipe. Usually about a yard long or so, like that, aren't they? You'd have another piece like that, and it'll screw into the end, into that end, or this end. I think this end. It'd screw into that side, and then you extend them to however long you need them. So yeah, nice bit of relic there from this period, right next to the pump house. Quite a few finds here, actually. Didn't expect to find anything around here, but they were. One or two finds. Right, we'll carry on then. See what else we can find. Still around the old water pump house. Not far from it. Not far from the signal, just over there really, the coin I found and the little washers. Come across, there's a nice signal. Another piece of lead. It's a piece of lead pipe. About a half-inch lead pipe. Right. Carry on for a bit more and see what else we can find. If not, then I'll see you on, I'll say see you on the next. If not, then I'll pack in and I'll see you all on YouTube. Right, I decided to call it a day for today now. Been all over this area. Didn't find a hell of a lot, and a few coins and bits and pieces, and well, these are my finds for today. That nice buckle you remember I found in the gateway. And another buckle. Two buckles there. That unreadable coin. Not sure what that is. That's probably Georgian. I'll try and clean it up a bit later on and see if we can make out any details on it. See what we can get off it. That old hubcap. Brass hubcap. Or implement cap of some sort. Yeah. That other coin, another Georgian, I imagine. Try and clean it up and see if I can get anything off it. Can't really see much on there now. A few washers. That was my first find. I'm not sure what that is. Some sort of valve or something. I'm not sure. That there is stainless steel wire. Quite hard to bend it. But yeah, little piece of copper crimping pipe, I think. Something with crimping wires together, I think. Yeah, that piece there, that brass piece there for unblocking drains. Quite heavy. Piece of copper, piece of lead pipe. Yeah, that's about it. A few washers and things. Yeah, all in all, that's my finds. Not bad really. Nothing really interesting, but apart from the coins here. A few coins. I'm not sure, did I put something away? No. Thought I had another coin there, but no, that's it I think. Two coins today. Clean that one up, see if we can make anything out on it. Yeah, yeah, so those are my finds for today. Quite enjoyable. Big horsey buckle. Right, there we are. That's it for today then, and I'll say goodbye. I'll see you all on YouTube. I'm going to head back that way, head back to the car and give this lot a clean up, and I'll put some photographs up on YouTube a bit later on, and I'll see you all on YouTube. Right, thanks for watching everybody, much appreciated. Your comments, dislikes, whatever, nice to see you on there anyway. Right, I'll watch all your videos. Goodbye, ta-ra.